Hey guys, it's Ching here. I'm in the Xuhui district in Shanghai and I'm taking you to an awesome place. We're going for Ba Bao Ya, 8 treasure duck. If you're into decadent dishes that pack some serious flavour, then this is the episode for you. Get ready because I'm chowing down on some of the most tender duck you'll ever find. Stuffed with 8 delicious fillings, this dish is a flavour overload. Number 328. This is it. Here we are.
Hi, Ronnie.
Hello, 你好，谢谢，谢谢。Oh wow, it's packed. This place is famous for its signature 8 treasure duck. A whole duck is marinated in oyster sauce, 5 spice, and 2 different kinds of soy sauce for a whole day. Then it's time to prepare the 8 treasures. Mushroom, ginkgo nuts, pine nuts, ham, shrimp, sausage, scallops, and turnip are wok fried with soy sauce and oyster sauce to impart a smoky flavour. Cooked rice is then mixed in. The marinated duck is stuffed with the 8 treasure rice, sealed and deep fried. Then it's wrapped in lotus leaves and foil and steamed for 6 hours. Finally, the duck is drenched in an unctuous sauce to finish. The result is melt-in-the-mouth tenderness like you've never tasted before. Wow, that looks amazing. Look at it, it's glistening, it's shiny. So she normally cuts it all the way from the back, all the way to the head. Look at the steam coming off that. Wow, wow, 好香哦. Look at all the juiciness of the rice. And it's called 8 treasure duck, 八宝鸭.
Yeah.
Because it's got the 8 treasures in there. That looks sensational. It just smells so fragrant. It looks so good. Oh wow, I mean look at that. The rice, the richness in the colour from the dark soy, the light soy. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I've got to go in for a taste. That is 100% sensational. Savoury but fragrant. They've got the mushroom, I've got some pine nuts in there. I've got the smokiness from the Jian ham. I've got textures from the ginkgo nut. I mean, the duck meat is just falling off the bone. It's so tender. You don't even need to cut it. Look at that, it's so soft. You can really get the fragrance of the lotus leaves as well. The layers of flavour in this dish is just outstanding. You can really taste the soy, the oyster sauce. It just gives a real meaty richness to the dish. Bags of flavour. Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.